Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. I'd like to show you something a little bit different. I have a diamond painting kit here. I got this from a store in Mildura in Victoria. I originally went in there. It's called Kaisercraft, and they have just so many crafty things in there, and I was like in seventh heaven. Absolutely gorgeous place, and they had diamond dots there, and I thought, ooh, I need to check that out. And they actually had a wide range of diamond dots, but they actually had a wide range of these, which is their own brand. So this is called Kaiser Sparkle. So it's a Kaiser Sparkle Kit, and I hope I'm saying that right, Kaiser. They have quite a few different designs, and the colors and everything, they look gorgeous. And they are packaged in these boxes. As far as I can tell, they had them in two sizes. So this was a smaller size, which is 44 by 34 centimeters, and the other kits that they had were this size and a little bit bigger. So I think they only do it in two sizes, but I could be wrong there. So anyway, so this sort of piqued my interest, and I thought, ooh, I've got to get one of them and I've got to try it. And they also had 30% off, so yep, it was going to happen. So this one here says Jellyfish. The picture looks really cool. I love the colors. I love the design. I love how on the box it tells you your design size and your canvas size. Design size 44 by 34, canvas size 50 by 40 centimeter. Really nice size. And then you've got down there, it tells you what is included in the kit. So your printed adhesive canvas, round sparkle spots, so your drills, a wax caddy, one stylus and one tray. And on the box it shows you what it actually looks like, but it kind of threw me because it looks like they're little squares, and I thought, ooh, are they squares or rounds? But when you come back up here, it definitely says round, which is great. So nice box, really like the box. And I love how you can see what it looks like when it's finished. So up here, it's got how to do it and their name and all that sort of stuff. So 30% off, $28.99, bargain. It was just over 20 bucks. So I've never seen these before. I've never used them. I've never done them. So I'm just so excited to show you this, and then I'm going to get stuck into it right away so I can see how it turns up and the quality and everything. So I really have no idea how this is going to turn out. So it was sealed. I've already cut the seal, but I haven't looked at it. So let's... Oh. Got it. Okay, so there's your canvas there. One canvas. Nothing in the box. Alright, so it comes in this clear sleeve. That's nice, I like that. I'll pull him out. Alright, so it's got that clear plastic cover on top. Canvas feels pretty good. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, there's our stuff. Oh, man, that is cool. Oh, gee, I like that. That's awesome. Look at the colors and everything. That is fantastic. So, you get your standard, just very basic toolkit. You've got your stylus, your bit of wax, and your drill tray. And you've got your drills. Okay. They look alright so far. Look at those colors. Oh wow, that's going to be cool. I'll put them off to the side. Alright, so there's our canvas. So the actual canvas material feels really good. It's pliable, feels pretty good quality. I'm happy with that. I'm also happy with the fact that you have your symbol legend up here and your symbol legend down there. I'm a really big fan of that. And I love how they have the thumbnail on there as well, because sometimes when you're drilling along, you're thinking, oh, really? You know, what's that color there? Or what am I going into next? And you can see it right there. So, big fan of that. That's great. 28 colors. That is just awesome. All right, I'll just bring you down and we can have a look at that drill field. That's beautiful and clear. I'm really impressed, actually. Can't really see any issues there except for maybe in here where you've got dark purple with black writing. The black's reasonably easy to see because it's got white writing. I think that is really good. Don't even need a light pad really to see that. Wow, that looks great. That is really easy. And it's a great size too. I love this size. So there's your symbol key. So what have we got? 28 colors, and we've got numbers and letters. And DMC codes as well, which is good. Very, very nice. Okay, so I'll bring you out again. Wow. Loving that. All right, let's flip her over. Oh, hang on. Let's check the stickability test. Okay, so that's really sticky. That's great. That's real sticky. All right, let's flip her over. And I mean, really, being rolled up like that and it's slightly flattened, that is no issue at all. Those little bumps and stuff will come out really quickly. So, oh, look at these drills. Okay. Alright, so they're little strips. I like that. Alright, so we've got some white and some blue. I'm having a bit of a close-up look at these and looking pretty good. They got a bit of shine on them, which is nice. They look alright to me. Got some gorgeous purples and pinks. Beautiful colors. Those drills look pretty good. Really keen to see how this turns out. Some beautiful reds. Wow, look at all the different shades of red. So you're going to get some good definition in there. Pinks, and we go into our yellows. Blues. Nice. Gorgeous. Well, I'm happy with those drills so far, and I'm super happy with the kit so far. So very, very nice. So this store just had so many amazing things in it. They have giftware, they have all different crafts that you can think of, paints and diamond dots and paint by numbers and wooden cutouts and everything. So I was in there for a very, very long time, and I just couldn't get enough of it. They also have, this was from a store in Mildura, as I said, but they also have an online store too. So, and they've got stores in every state in Australia. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. But there you go. So that is my Kaiser Sparkle Kit jellyfish. And I will be getting started on this like probably today because I'm so excited. And I will bring to you in another video the work in progress and review and pretty much what I thought about the whole thing. And you'll be able to see the finished product in that. And I also bought some more, of course. I couldn't resist. So I'll be showing you those unboxings and work in progresses down the track. So there you go, my jellyfish. Love, 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 love. Absolutely love these colors. Can't wait to get started. So thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for that work in progress and review. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.